In this video we will go over how to permanently stop the Windows 11 upgrade prompt on Windows 10. To begin, click the link in the description to go to our written guide. There are two methods. The registry method can be used on any version of Windows. The Group Policy Editor method requires Windows Pro or Enterprise editions. In this example we will go over the registry method. You can follow the steps to manually edit the registry, or you can use the included reg file, which does the same thing automatically. In this example we will use the reg file. Right-click the link and then click Save Link As. Save the file. Next, open the file. Click Run. Click Yes. If you have trouble with the reg file, you can always use the other methods. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.